How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? Late afternoon, I'm not sure about the time. It's about 6 o'clock, something like that. We're looking for some street food. We're looking for some street food. Here we are, Loi Kroh Road. Yeah, the street in daytime seems to be rather popular, but it's more depending on the channel. Some channels, they are much more popular than our channel. They never come out, but if they come out, just walk around here and they get a lot of views. It's not fair. I think it's not fair. Why are those channels get more exposure than me? I'm much more fun. I don't have the over enthusiastic voice. It's still early and I am a little bit hungry because I didn't have breakfast. I didn't have breakfast yet. Beer, honey bar, why not? Swaddy crab and rose bar. Here we were looking for street food. Here we are, Jack reporting for you, Chiang Mai Thailand. How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? It's about 6 o'clock. Here we are at the street food vendor. Yeah. Yeah, so I have the fried chicken and fried rice over here. Loi Kroh Road, late afternoon. Now I'm gonna look at the clock. 7 o'clock it is. Yeah, your street food experience here. I'm not sure about the title yet. Chiang Mai Loi Kroh Road street food experience. Or do you need some coffee or ice cream? Or there's so much choice here. Now it's just after 7 o'clock. It's time to eat. Still, Loi Kroh Road is not a walking street. Here your street food challenge. Yeah, you can say the street food is always good because it's fresh and you cannot make it yourself for a price like this. Yeah, just an impression, Loi Kroh Road. Give you an impression how's life in a rainy season. In May, no, June already. What? It's almost half a year in 2026. Time is going faster in Thailand, I think. Oh, we made a video about that. Time is going faster in Thailand on the other channel, Chiang Mai Thai Video Vlog. Okay, in this report, we're heading back. Follow us. Bye bye. Again, I forgot to look at the clock. It's about 7, 7:30, something like that. It's still early here at Loi Kroh Road. But yeah, it's dark. It's almost like nightlife. Almost like nightlife. We're heading back to enjoy for the rest of this video. Same, no difference. It's always the same, but that's because there is not much change in a week. In a week there is not much change. Still rainy season. Still raining. We are reporting the street food here. Have your street food at Loi Kroh Road in the rainy season. Hello. Enjoy your impression of Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. Popular part of previous videos was always the pool table, so yeah, here is your middle section. Yeah, the most popular part of the video is always pool part. Pool. 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 Yeah, we still did win, eh? It was too easy, but still we win. Yeah, this is the major part of the video, the major part of the night out. Having a good time. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. Raining, no raining, sunshine, storm, or whatever. Just an impression. Yeah, you can have a good time here. And you get all the attention if you are the only one. All the attention if you were in this season, because yeah, the only competition you get is from the girls. What she's gonna do now? Over there. Boo! Boo! Now your timestamp 9:30. Yeah. Street food challenge, or you can go to a restaurant. Chez Marco, here, Chez Marco. Loi Kroh Road, 9:30. We go back to the table. Pool table. I think the humidity tonight is rather high. It's a little bit. It's warm. It's different in the normal heat. At daytime, it's sweaty, and I think it has to do with the moisture, with the humidity. It has been raining this afternoon. Yeah. Finger licking good. Is it street food? I'm not sure. Count as street food? I don't think so, but it's finger licking. It's considered street food. Oh, yeah. It is bring food. Bring food. Yeah, that's my team, eh? Oh, that's full. Yeah. This is street food. What is this? Not sure what this is. Boom. From this. Yeah, it's about street food. It's about street food tonight. This is not what she was waiting for, but street food challenge. The only thing is that the cutlery and the plates. The plates, they are not. Should have nice plates, and then yeah, then street food is good enough. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. I have no clue about the time. What about the time? Oh, forgot to look. Yeah, so you can get any kind of street food you want. Sometimes you have to wait and sometimes they don't come. Oh, it's my turn. Huh? What? Oh, that was... Yeah, nah. It's 12 o'clock now, eh? There is no limit on your street food. Where's he going? I'm not sure. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand, rainy season, but it rained late afternoon, not now. Still waiting on the other street food. I need my noodle soup for tomorrow as well, huh? Shokti. Shokti. Oh, that's too easy, yeah. No.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, that's still. Oh yeah, the title was rainy season, eh? How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? Street food challenge. Now it's raining. But it's after 12 o'clock. Look, you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Joe. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Try. Did we mention noise reduction? We are raising money for noise reduction on the Buy Me a Beer page. Now the address of the Buy Me a Beer page is Buy Me a Coffee, but it's not even beer. It's zero. Just funds for the noise reduction, but of course it's just a hobby. What she's doing? Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Yes, the food is okay, on the street food, but the plates. Now they have the iron cutlery instead of the normal plastic. But the plates, what about the plates? The food is good. It's always nice and fresh. Yeah, so the street food is always good because the ingredients are always fresh and they make a lot. And you cannot compete with that because if you want to buy all those ingredients, you have to buy too much, and then you can make a lot of food for the future, for tomorrow or the day after, but it's not fresh anymore, and your ingredients are not fresh anymore, and that's not competing. No, it's cheap. 50 baht, 100 baht. It's cheap. And it's always good, so yeah, there's no competing against street food. Yeah, you have to be lucky if it's there, and it cannot always be lucky. Now we're waiting for the noodle soup, but the noodle soup didn't show up tonight. What's she doing? Yeah, so we started the evening with a new vendor. She was just starting, and we had a chicken. Okay, 30 games played, 17 for us. With the winner! Say hey! Yeah! Check out the shorts, these are the most popular shorts. 12:30. Yes, it's rainy season and this is what you can expect here. It can be raining, it has been raining this afternoon and now it's raining late at night. Late at night, late afternoon. Yeah, but it shouldn't hold you back. No, it did hold me back. I wanted to take a walk, but I didn't take the walk because I was thinking maybe there will be more rain. So yeah, it's refreshing, that is, but it's holding you down. It's true as well. It's almost 1 o'clock. We close. They close. I'm not closing. I'm not closing. Huh? What?
Raining.
Yeah, they call it rainy season, and it's raining almost. No, not all day, all night. Only a little bit, late afternoon, and sometimes at night, and sometimes at day not. The only thing is we missed our street food. We were at the street food challenge and the street food didn't arrive. So that's the thing. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock now. There was some YouTuber, he's walking during daytime. He's walking during daytime at Loi Kroh Road and he claims that it closes at 1 o'clock. It closes at 12 o'clock, he said. Now it's now 1 o'clock and it's still not closed. I'm waiting, still waiting for customers. Photo. No, he was walking in another video, he was walking down the road at daytime. And in another video he made a statement. It closes at 12. He doesn't know anything, yeah. I'm just jealous about his channel. Bros.
น้ำพุ่งไปด้วยนางไว้ทำคลิปไงไอ้ไม่เต้นลูกเสาหรอ
What? Yeah. No, the front is not closed yet. And it's not raining anymore. Yeah, 1:30. Bye bye. You think it was over? You think it was over? No, it was just starting. Hear your impression of Loi Kroh Road in rainy season. Now it's almost 1 o'clock. There's nobody out there. Now the thing is, if you're out, if you're in, if you're in, you're in. You stay in. You will not go out. I'm not going out. How do you call this?
ผักคะน้า
What's in it? What's in the patana?
ผักคะน้าหมู
Patana mu, also this pig, pork and a lot of vegetables. Hello, what's your name?
แผ่น
Do you want to say something?
เวลคัม
Well, good. No more street food, no more challenge. No noodle soup tomorrow. And it was not filming, yes. So we're not going out. I'm not going out. Maybe she is, but I'm not going out. Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe. See you later. see you later. Good